The Culuccia Island Nature Observatory is a permanent scientific research facility established in August 2020. What exists on the island? What are the rocks that form it, the plants that grow there, and the animals that inhabit it? Although Culuccia is an area protected by numerous environmental regulations, its biodiversity is yet to be known. Hence the choice of the Boglioni family, owners of Culuccia Island since 2017, to establish the Nature Observatory. 2001. The observatory initiates the study of Culuccia's terrestrial ecosystems and the search for species of conservation interest. Special attention is paid to the Sardinian wildcat, which is being monitored with a photo-trapping campaign. Created the first network of nature trails for knowledgeable visitors. Undertook the study of the flora and fauna of the Porto Liscia wetland, especially monitoring the presence of the rare osprey and the protected fratino. Organize various initiatives and collaborate dedicated to waste collection, World Wetlands Day and World Migratory Bird Day. Events that are now part of the observatory's annual calendar of activities. The first issue of Aprodu, Culuccia's official gazette, which chronicles the island's projects and places, is published. 2002. Collaboration begins with several universities to study and protect the island's biodiversity, which becomes an open-air laboratory. The University of Rome III, the Polytechnic University of Turin, and the University of Sassari. These collaborations produce multiple research activities and give rise to an innovative synergy of expertise. The lines of research initiated with the University of Rome III are divided into two areas, terrestrial and marine. The land-based research group deals with the study of pollinating insects, diurnal and nocturnal flying insects, and soil fauna. The marine group investigates the biodiversity found in the waters surrounding Culuccia, monitoring rare species such as limpet ferruginea and habitats of interest such as Posidonia oceanica seagrass beds. The Polytechnic University of Turin conducts surveys on the island to acquire geomatics data in the terrestrial and marine environment, producing cartographic products and reality reconstructions of the seabed. Started the survey of air quality data, which was conducted periodically throughout the course of one full year. The observatory offers environmental education activities to schools. The second issue of Aprodu comes out, and two new annual publications, Culuccia Seaside and Culuccia Landside, photographic manuals illustrating the island's terrestrial and marine species, are born. Built the observatory laboratory, equipped with a library and equipped with everything needed to conduct research. 2023. The University of Genoa joins the study activities on the island. Thanks to the results of research carried out at Culuccia, the first articles in scientific journals are produced with Rome III, and more dissertations are discussed at the Polytechnic University of Turin. From the synergy of expertise between the universities and the observatory comes the project of relevant national interest Poseidon for the mapping and monitoring of Posidonia oceanica meadows and banquets. The Polytechnic University of Turin and the Nature Observatory launched two doctoral degrees with the aim of conserving coastal ecosystems and mapping seabed habitats. A collaboration between the University of Sassari and a new project resulted in the selection process of the Culuccia cattle breed. The foundation of this endeavor was the study of genetic characteristics of the cattle population found on the island of Sassari. The network of nature trails is expanded and several snorkeling routes are created. Culuccia Farm is a strong supporter of the observatory's endeavors. Their generous funding enables 2 summer research grants, which contribute towards the study of biodiversity. Moreover, Culuccia's open-air laboratory continues to host numerous activities centered around knowledge and conservation efforts.